Wait, we're moving now. Oh, almost. Kind of. No. Rob? Pause chip? Are we getting a loading screen? Are we playing Starfield now? Oh fuck, did we crash? Do I have to Alt F4? Rob? Earth to Rob. Hello, this is Silver to Rob. Over. Are you there? Over. Dude, I think we literally killed him. What? Oh! Oh no! Rob got hit by a car! Oh my god, Rob, are you okay?
Oh god, what?
The tiny screams and the little like bits of his voice just make it that much better, dude. Oh my god, I'm crying. Oh, what a date, man. Chad, are you having fun? I love you so much.
Would say it just works.
I think our what's it called? Skedaddle? Should what? The guy that drives you is broken. I think he's broken. Thank you, Reese. Thank you for the $5. Thank you. Oh my god. He's stuttering accurate date experience. Exactly. Oh no. I hope he's okay. I do think he made it worse by unplugging the thing though.
They call me a dweeb. I got a Game Boy and a pocket protector. Suspenders so high it's a woman deflector.
Thank you,
Gamers up code silver. That's
Dagon.
all that matters.
Suspenders aren't that bad. Thank you.
Free.
I love that I'm perfectly fine on your stream. Oh my god, he's back! Oh, yo, quick save!
Hi, guys.
Hello!
Not
What
sure.
an adventure.
Not sure what that was.
I really enjoyed it. I don't know.
Dude, you were dying. I was just shouting at you from Discord, but you were just laughing. I couldn't hear anything except for your, oh my god, his voice makes it so funny. And then I was like, damn it, this technology.
We would just hear like a second of your voice and it would cut out and it was so fucking funny, dude.
Dude.
Oh, I was crying.
Thank you, everybody.
Where is my streamer match time?
You saw a car flying? How did that happen?
Dude, there was a car flying! And then it looked like you got hit by the car and died.
The grease from yesterday, right?
It was an adventure.